Hello friends, let us try to understand why do stars twinkle? Let's go for a cosmic mystery. So you know that when you look at the sky, you see large number of stars. They are sparkling lights. So they twinkle like diamonds. There is a colorful dance. It looks like they are blinking on and off or even changing colors right before your eyes. But the real question is, are the stars really doing that? Or there is something more to it? So the big secret is our atmosphere. Our Earth, is covered with gases, and this is called as Earth's atmosphere. It's surrounding us, and it is like a giant wiggly blanket made up of pockets of hot air and cold air that are constantly moving around. Now, what happens? It's similar to a still water test. So, if you take a shining flashlight through a bowl of still water, you can see the beam which is steady. When the water is wobbly, when you gently tap the water, it starts moving, and so is the light. Same thing happens with our atmosphere. When the atmospheric gases are constantly moving, the light also bends. Actually, it should go straight, but it bends because of the movement of the hot and cold air. So we see the planets don't twinkle, but the stars twinkle. Now remember that planets are much closer than the stars. Stars are far, far, far away. The light that is coming from the stars is interrupted because of the atmospheric gases, dust particles, and it is a point source. But from the planets, which are much closer, it's like a disk, and therefore it averages out. Even if one point is giving less light, other points are there which averages out the light from the planets. And that's why they appear to be steadier. Now, if you go in the space, for example, an astronaut looks in space to the stars. There is no atmosphere, so there will be no twinkling of stars. From the Earth, we actually can see the twinkling of stars. So have you understood what is refraction? It is bending of light because of the atmosphere. And that's why sometimes there is more light to us and sometimes less light. That's why we see the twinkling of stars. Thank you very much.